All right, as I was getting ready to prepare to record this video, I had a special guest come in, so I thought I'd put her in the frame real quick. Say hi. There you go. There you go. All right, all right. So, back to what you came here for. We're talking about the DJI RS3 Mini, okay? And I didn't intend to buy this at all. I was going to the store to pick up a lens, which I talked about in a previous video, and I just happened to run across this because it was on sale. It was on sale for $279. Now, last time I checked, this was going regular price for $369. So when you catch a sale like that, why not? And as you guys know, I do record, or some of you might know, I record videos with my family a lot of times, and this is good for like my vlogs and all that kind of stuff. So very lightweight. It's not very heavy at all. However, this little bottom part does come in handy. This little tripod slash handle, it comes off. It does definitely come in handy because you will get tired trying to hold this thing with one arm. I usually try to hold it like this and it moves around. Right now the motors are in sleep mode, by the way. That's why they're kind of why they're all just kind of moving all over the place. It's in sleep mode, so I can show you guys. Yeah. So like I said, very lightweight. I think it's about 720 something grams, something like that. But anyway, very lightweight. It's very useful in terms of getting smooth cinematic shots, which is what I have it for. So we're gonna test it out, and I'm gonna show you guys some test footage. So check it out. I also want to make you aware that it has 4 different modes. You can go from pan tilt mode, pan tilt follow mode. They even have a weird little 360 mode. I don't have my camera here, so it's not gonna act right now. So it's gonna go in sleep mode. So right now it's in sleep mode. Okay, let me zoom out. I don't know what happened to the camera. Zooming out like that. But anyways, 3 modes: pan tilt follow mode, pan tilt mode. We have a 360 mode. You can do like some 360 shots where it kind of turns around like that. I'm not gonna, like I said, it's on sleep mode, so you're not seeing in action how it would look. But I will have some sample footage that you guys can check out. So yeah, I just want to make you guys aware of that. It has 3 different modes that you can preset them to, so that when you turn it on, you press the M. Right? You press the M and it'll save your modes, okay? And then you got a record button. This does do Bluetooth connection with a compatible camera. If you're not sure if your camera will be compatible, you can go to the DJI website and it'll have a list of cameras that will work perfect with this device right here. So that's just another little piece I wanted to give you guys. Hope you're enjoying the gimbal footage.